how to log in into NanoBanana.AI. Alright, let's quickly walk through login into your NanoBanana.AI account. It's usually straightforward. First thing first, you have to open up the web browser. I'm going to use the Edge. You can use any web browser that you like. So I have already searched for the NanoBanana.AI and this is how it looked like. You also go ahead and type it in NanoBanana.ai into address, or if you have a bookmark, just click on it and get it open. Now, once the NanoBanana.ai homepage loads for the login button, for that simply tap on this three straight line in top right corner. Tap on it and there we can see an option for the sign in. Simply tap on it. Now we can just continue with the Google using the same Gmail that you used for the sign up, or you can just sign in by using your email address right over here and sending the verification code to your email. So the process is simple. Let's use the continue with the Google option and choose the account and allow. Let's wait for a while and let's check it up and we are done. You can see my profile right over here. That means I have already logged in. Pretty simple, right? Now you are all set. I hope this video helped, and lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.